Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have to discuss about C program for checking whether a person is eligible for voting or not. Before going to the implementation of this program, first we have to read the age of a person from the keyboard. Suppose age of a person is 25. Now we have to check whether this person is eligible for voting or not. So the logic is simple. If age greater than or equal to 18, we can say that printf eligible for voting. Eligible for voting. Suppose this condition is false, then go to the else block. In the else block, we have to write printf not eligible for voting. Not eligible for voting. This program can be implemented with if-else statement. If the condition is true, then the statement within the if block is executed. If the condition is false, the statement within the else block is executed. Okay, suppose age of a person is 25. So substitute 25 in the place of age. 25 greater than or equal to 18. So condition is true. If this condition is true, the statement within the if block is executed. So printf eligible for voting. Suppose age of a person is, for example, 15. Okay, now substitute 15 in the place of age in the condition. So 15 greater than or equal to 18. Condition false. Then the control goes to the statement within the else block is executed. In the else block, only one statement is there, printf not eligible for voting. So this program can be implemented with if else statement. Okay, if the condition is true, the statement within the if block is executed. If the condition is false, the statement within the else block is executed. Okay, so this is the logic of check whether a person is eligible for voting or not. Now we can go for the implementation of this program. Now first we have to include two header files to our program. Hash include stdio.h. Next hash include conio.h. Console input output header file, standard input output header file. Next void main. Every C program starts its execution with main function. Main function does not return anything, so that we have to write void before the main function. Void is an empty data type. Next, I am declaring variable age can be declared as integer. So that means variable age can be declared as integer variable. Now I am declaring the variable called age. So the data type of variable age is integer. Next one, CLR SCR. So that is clear screen function. It clears the output screen. This function is available in the header file called hash include conio.h. So that we have to include this header file to our program. Next one, printf enter the age of a person. Enter the age of a person. The age of a person can be read from the keyboard by using scanf function. So scanf, we have to write the format control string is %d because age can be declared as integer variable. After reading the age of a particular person from the keyboard, now we have to check whether that person eligible for voting or not. For that purpose, I am using if statement. If age greater than or equal to 18, so printf person is eligible for voting. Person is eligible for voting. So this is the statement within the if block. If the condition is true, then the control goes to the if block. The statement within the if block is executed. Next, suppose if the condition is false, then the control goes to the else block and the statement within the else block is executed. The statement within the else block is person is not eligible for voting. Not eligible for voting. Now else block close. After that we have to write get ch. Next main program close. Okay. Now we have to save that program first. Press Alt F and click on save. So we have to give the file name as voting. Now first we have to compile the program. For compiling the program, we have to use the command called Alt plus F9. Press enter. We are getting 0 warnings and 0 errors. Press enter. Then we have to run the program. For running the program, we have to use the command called Control plus F9. Press enter. So control goes to the output screen. In the output screen, they can ask enter the age of a person. Suppose age of a person is 25. So person is eligible for voting. Okay. Now again run the same program. Enter the age of a person. That is I am giving 15. 15 is person not eligible for voting. Okay. So this is the simple program for checking whether a given person is eligible for voting or not. Okay, so here age of a person 25 is substituted in the place of age 25 greater than or equal to 18. So condition true. If the condition is true, the statement within the if block is executed. If block starts at 10th line and ends with 12th line. So the statement within the if block is printf person is eligible for voting. So person is eligible for voting is printed. Suppose age of a person is 15. So 15 greater than or equal to 18. Condition false. If this condition is false, then the control goes to the else block. Else block. That means the statement after the if block is executed. After the if block, else statement is there. In the else block, printf person is not eligible for voting. So that statement is printed. Else block starts at 13th line and ends with 16th line. Okay. After that, the program is terminated. So thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button and share this video to your friends and classmates. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel Dibbala Srinivas Rao. If you have any comment, if you have any doubts, please put your doubts in the comment box. I will clarify your doubts. Thank you one and all for watching this video.